Hello everyone, this is my final modal test for you. Are you ready? Okay. In this test, like the last modal tests that we have done so far, you're going to just fill in the blank and choose between the two modals that you see. And we're going to be using all of the modals that we've done so far. So, are you ready? Here we go. Number 1. And the answer is, look at all the clouds out there. It looks like it may rain today. This is future possibility and there's a good chance, right? So we use may. Might, there's a slight chance. Okay? All right, number 2. And the answer is, if you had shown up on time, you might have gotten tickets to the concert. In this case, it's a hypothetical situation and we're not sure, but there's a little bit of a chance, it's a slight chance that you might have gotten tickets. Okay, number 3. And the answer is, she might have stopped by your house earlier, but you were not home. In this case, it's the past tense of may, and we're not sure if she stopped by. So we use might. Okay, number 4. And the answer is, may I have another piece of cake? This is asking permission for something. We use may to be polite. Okay, number 5. And the answer is, what's going on? Where's Maria? She's never late. She may have missed her train. I'll call her right now. Okay, we use may. We're speculating about a past event, and in this case, there's a pretty good chance, because according to the context, she's never late. Okay, number 6. And the answer is, he could have won the match if he had trained harder. Here we use could, and it's a possibility of something. And when we're talking about a possibility, we use could. Number 7. And the answer is, she can speak 5 languages. This is just present tense, it's ability, okay? And she's able to speak 5 languages. Okay, number 8. And the answer is, we could go to the museum this afternoon if you're interested. This is a suggestion, and we usually use could when we give a suggestion like this. Okay, number 9. And the answer is, I will or I'll help you clean the house after school today. This is a promise, and we use will. Okay? All right, number 10. And the answer is, it's very cloudy right now. I think it'll or it will rain soon. This is a prediction, and we're pretty sure about it. It's cloudy, right? So we use will. All right, number 11. And the answer is, would you like to go to the concert with me tonight? This is an invitation, and we use would when we want to be polite. So this is a polite invitation. All right, number 12. And the answer is, if I won $1 million in the lottery, I would take a trip around the world. This is an unreal situation and the second conditional, and we use would. All right, number 13. And the answer is, if you are late for school, you'll or you will get in trouble. This is a real situation, so it's probably going to happen. All right, and we use will. Okay, number 14. And the answer is, when she was young, she would play the piano every day after school. Here we're talking about repetition in the past, and you can see was and would play, the two verbs in the past tense. Okay, number 15. And the answer is, the dress code at their school is strict. They have to or they must wear uniforms. This is a necessity, so there's no suggestions here. So this is something that they must or have to do. They have to wear uniforms. Okay, number 16. And the answer is, I feel very sleepy right now. I should not or I shouldn't have stayed up late last night. In this case, the person is expressing regret, and then we use should for that, or should not in this case. All right, number 17, the last one. And the answer is, let's call Mark. He should be finished with his homework by now. This is about expectation. We're expecting that Mark would be finished, so we use should. All right, that's all for this test. I hope you did well, and if you didn't, you can try it again. So, remember what I always say, keep practicing. See you next time.